How exciting. I've got a delivery from Omlet. So, little unboxing. You can see me here faffing around trying to figure out how to open the box, chatting, saying all sorts. Best thing to use to open the box is a set of keys, FYI. So yeah, got sent this because our feeders get wet. The feed turns to mush and then the chickens don't eat anything. So Omlet very kindly supplied me with this amazing feeder. Ta-da! So I opened the boxing up. Little Allen key. Everyone needs an Allen key. Instructions, but I'm not going to use the instructions because if you can't put this together, then there's some serious considerations to be had. So get those out of the way. Allen key, perfect. Always lose an Allen key. And then top, guess they're their legs. Legs come out and off, and here it comes. Look at that beauty. So weatherproof. Not going to get wet. You can see how much feeds in it. Mega. So yeah, brill. So these are the legs. So I'm going to figure out now how to put the legs on. Look at it, stunning. Automatic chicken feeder in the house. Jeff's going to be very, very excited to have a little play with this one. Yeah, don't need the manuals, but they're all there if needed. So lid comes off like an old cool box. Put the handle one way, lid comes off. I'm not smelling it, I'm just looking inside. So little channels in there for all the feed to go down. I think it drops a certain amount of feed every time it opens, which is pretty cool. Oh yeah, we have got a shot of inside. Don't try and open them, Darcy, or me. They're automatic. Right, bottom comes off, little twisty. And then we're going to figure out how we put it all together. So bolts on the bottom, unscrew them nice and fast. Nobody wants to see that. Legs go on. So all the screws are already in there, nice and easy. Legs go on. Skip past this again. 3 legs, easy. We'll flip that up. It's green as well. I love green. Right, so yeah, batteries in. Amazon Basics, classic. Give them a little rub. Might just be me that gives them a little rub, but that's good luck. Twist that on, make that weatherproof. Bottom on. Cushy. Flip them up. Ace. And that is that. Easy as that. Lid goes on. Sweet. Oh, we're open. We're opening. Look at that. Magical. Absolutely magical. Right, next thing, app. We need to open the app. App Store. Download the app. Easy. Internet's obviously quite slow. 1 minute something. It speeds up a bit. And then details in. Register. Liam. Dylan. Email. Easy. And then log in. There's me trying to log in the field. So go out. Get next to the feeder. All deals in. Connect. Very simple to connect. Make sure you allow everything to go through. And then Bob's your uncle. Connect by Bluetooth because no Wi-Fi in the garden, which is another good tool. Pellets. You can change it for crumb or how old the chickens are, if it's crumb or feed or whatever. Connect in Bluetooth. Sets on my front door. Settings, Bluetooth. Get that thing set up. Pretty straightforward. It was out the box in the field, feeding the chickens within like 20 minutes. So not going to take me all the time. Get back in the kitchen. Right, light sensor all time. Set time when you open and close. I'm not too sure what they want to do yet, so I'm going to leave it as light sensor. But yeah, you can just set it really easy, all on your phone. Yeah, come on, we get it. Right. And then light sensor, cool. And then save that, off we go. And if you think you're a comedian, you can have a little play with the all the settings, make it your own. Like me, think I'm funny. So Chef Birds is going to be the device name. Get that locked in. Awesome, easy. 7 birds in this one. Yeah, pellets sorted. Just checking it over, make sure everything's good to go. And that's it. Easy. And then, yeah, Chef's Birds is ready to rock. So it's 8% full, 85% full. Gives you the battery life. So you can keep checking your phone. We need to update it. Yeah, me still checking my phone, as always. And then stick it in the coop. And what's good about this is we had a little feeder, a manual feeder in this coop, because it opens the elements until the birds go inside. This one, the feed won't get clogged up. It will just keep these guys nice and fed. Look at them. Look at them. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right, feeder's in. Light sensor, so stick it somewhere in the coop where the sun's going to hit it in the morning so it opens up. Don't want to put it anywhere dark, otherwise it might not work. That's it, leave them to it. Fed, watered, happy days. Go get one.